Hi, and welcome back to my 21 Gun Saloon. I'm a disabled veteran who likes to make drinks and would like to share them with you. Today I'm going to take this Parrot Bay coconut rum. It's 90 proof, and it's a product out of New York, New York. It's produced in the Caribbean and imported into New York. Ounce and a half of your Parrot Bay coconut rum. Now we'll top it off with this Mountain Dew Trolli cherry lemon flavored soda. I hope everyone out there is having a great day today. If you can do me a favor and smash that like button. While you're at it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. These videos are also my way to honor the memory of the men and women who volunteered or may have been drafted to serve this country. If you would like me to dedicate a video to a fallen veteran or soldier, email me at my21gunsaloon@gmail.com. and I will dedicate it to your fallen hero. I will now raise my glass and pay my respects to Leon Sand. Leon passed away on December 18th, 2025 at the age of 80. He served in the Navy Reserves and he called North Dakota home. You may be gone, but you will never be forgotten. Thank you so much for your service. You will be missed. It's the aspartame for me. I think the Parrot Bay 90 proof rum, coconut rum, is better than Malibu coconut rum. Has a little bit more kick, a little bit more depth in the coconut flavor. But for me, this is a 6 out of 10. Even though I probably gave the Malibu a 6 out of 10, it's the aspartame. That's what brings it down for me. And coconut normally will draw out the flavors of whatever you put in with it. So it brings out that sugar-free aftertaste. And that's what I don't care about this drink. Never drink to forget. Always drink to remember. Leon, may you rest in peace. I wish I liked zero sugar, but I don't. You might love this one, so I would still recommend it, but for me, it's a 6. On average, 22 veterans and soldiers take their lives daily. If you're having a mental health crisis, please reach out to the agencies listed in the description below. These services are free, so please reach out for help. If you like what I am doing, please like, subscribe, and share these videos. Please help me keep the memory of these heroes alive. Since these episodes contain alcohol, please drink responsibly and do not drink and drive. Thank you, and have a great day.